Hello guys, I'm Emi Plus Crypto. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I'll be talking about the Goatfunded $1,000 instant plan that is sold for $1. All you need to know, should you buy it or not. Alright, so sometimes in July I bought the Goatfunded $1,000 instant account. So I traded the account for 1 month. I traded this from July up to the month of August, which was last month. So I traded the account up to $100. So I wasn't able to get payouts. Why? Because I had to go through their rules while I was trading the account. So I had to read it through. They say they had a consistency score, which is 15%. You must maintain a consistency score of 15%, and you must not trade or make profits in a day more than 15% of your account balance. But I actually obey the rules, though sometimes I'll make profits, it will go above 15%. Alright, so I'm going to go straight into my Goatfunded $1,000 instant account plan that I bought. I'm going to show you the accounts, I'll show you the trades I took, and we'll quickly run into their rules. I'm going to show you their rules of the account. So whenever you purchase the account, if you want to buy it, whenever you buy the account, you'll be able to know the rules in order not to break any of the rules. Because if you do not abide by the rule, you automatically lose the account. Your $1 is gone. Your $1,000 account is gone. You won't be able to request for payout. Alright, so I'm going to take you through my account. I'll show you the mistakes I make, and I'll show you why I wasn't able to request for payout when I reach my profit target. Alright, let's get into my phone. Okay guys, this is my Goatfunded account. Here's my account. Alright, so you can see this is the trade account overview. As you can see, I've been blocked because I didn't reach my I supersede the period of time that I was given the account, because the account will only last for 1 month. After then it will expire. If you don't trade and make the profit of $100 or below $100 in a month, the account will automatically expire. So you have to note that before you buy the account. Alright, so this is the account overview. This is my equity, $1,096.68. This is my balance. So this was my start date, 19th of July. You can see the account size. This is $1,000 instant funded account, which I bought for $1. Alright, so this is my trading overview. You are going to see my win rate here is about 51.61%. You see my profit factors, consistency score, which is very important, which we are going to dive into in this video. We are going to talk more on the consistency score and how you can be able to take advantage of the Goatfunded account. Score meets up the consistency score criteria. Alright, so these are my positions that I traded. These are my trades, the position I opened. These are the trades I took on these accounts. Okay, this is my calendar. So if I go to the month of July, you can see my trades I took a loss on the 29th of July, and they made a profit of $27 on the 31st of July. So I took 3 trades that day. So it was actually a mistake though, because I was not meant to make more than $15 in a day. Alright, so that is one of the things that made me not to meet up the consistency score. Alright, you can see all through the month of August I was actively trading. You can see every day I was trading, I was making profit, and I was making some losses too. Right, so, and I'm going to, towards the end of this video, I will give you a secret on how to pass these accounts without you breaching the consistency score rule. or without you struggling with the consistency score, I will show you an easy way of you to meet up and request for your payout once you reach the determined profit targets you want to withdraw. All right, so I'm going to drop a link in this video for you to sign up on Goatfunded, and you'll be able to buy the Goatfunded instant account for $1. My link on the description below this video. Alright guys, so let's go into the Goatfunded rules. So these are their rules. We are going to go through it. So their rules is pretty simple, pretty easy to understand too. So you just have to read it carefully to understand it. So it talks about the account violation, hard breach. You say all $1 model have trailing drawdown. So your max daily drawdown is 3%, which is trailing. So they also explain it here. Say, what does this mean? Say the maximum daily loss limit is 3% of your initial account balance / equity. That is between the two at market rollover time. So they also say that it's calculated. Say the daily drawdown is calculated daily at 5 p.m. So 5 p.m. EST based on your account balance equity. Your equity must not drop more than 3% of your initial account balance in a single day. So you can see it here. So your equity must not drop more than 3%, which is like $30. You must not have the $30 drawdown in a single day. So it talks about the max total drawdown. It's also trailing. It's trailing means that as your account balance grows, it grows along with it. The 6% rule and the 3% rule, it applies to it. So the 6% rule states that, say this is the max total drawdown. That means the maximum total drawdown for $1 for Goat's $1 account is a trading drawdown set at 6% of the equity value at the end of each trading day. So the total drawdown is 6%. So you must not go below 6% of your account, meaning that your account should not go below $60. It must not go below $60. If not, you have lost the account. So it also talks about understanding the maximum loss per trade rule. So it also say that if you are trading in a day and you have a drawdown of -2%, say they will permanently close your trade. They will permanently close your account. So even in as much as I give you 3% daily drawdown, it's not actually 3%, it's actually 2%. So you must not go below $20 every day that you are trading. Every day, put that at the back of your mind. So the minimum trading day requirement for instant Goat $1 account, the minimum trading day is 3 days. So it's 3 days, and they say these trading days do not have to be consecutive. That means you must not be trading every day, but to be considered a trading day, there must be a minimum profit of 0.5% of your initial balance generated, which is like $5. You must make at least $5 a day for it to count as a trading day. So it also talks about the consistency rule. You can read about this consistency rule. So the consistency rule ensures steady and sustainable profits over time. It states that no single trading day can account for 15% or more of your total profit during a payout period. So they gave an example here. So I'm going to quickly explain it. It means that you must, in as much as you are trading, you must not exceed more than $15 every day. $15 in profit every day. So if you are trading, once you know you make profit of like $10 to $15, just close your trade. Don't go and be trading so that you make more than that. If not, you are breaching the consistency rule. And another thing, the consistency rule, if you breach the consistency rule, they won't terminate your account. Rather, you continue trading until your highest profit day falls below $15. So, and in as much as you are making more than $15, your consistency score will not be dropping. It will not be going down so much. If you are making up to $27, $30, your consistency score will not be going, it will not be going down very much. It will not be going down very much. So because even as much you are trading, there must be room for losses. So even though you lost, let's say you lost like 0.5% in each trade, or you are risking like 0.5% each trade, if you maintain that $15 profit target, and you keep your win rate. Your win rate is always high. You're always winning. You to make your consistency score to 4 to 15%. But if you are making losses steadily, it will increase your consistency score. So must bear in mind that you must be making profits steady profits. $1,000 instant funnel account, no room for mistakes. You must not take setups that are not there, that are not in your strategy. Just look for high probability setup and trade. Or if you are a scalper, you can be scalping your profits along even as you trade. Also, it talks about the reward profit split. So profit split is 80%. Profit split as standard. So it talks about the reward circle. They offer reward every 14 days. So you can go about and read all these other things. Account size available, say, and all that. So another thing is that this $1,000 account normally expires. So it expires every 28 days. If you cannot be able to trade up to that 28 days and make, let's say, a total profit of up to, let's say, from $35 up, so don't buy these accounts. And if you cannot be making consistent profit, don't buy the account. What is the minimum profit I can withdraw with the Ghost $1 plan? So the minimum profit you can withdraw is $35. This means you must accumulate at least $35 in profit. So your profit must be at least $35 before you can request for payout. So you say the maximum profit you can withdraw is $100. So you can see it's just 10% of the account. So if you go above 10%, you've automatically breached the account. You have breached the account. So your profit must remain at least $100 or $90 to $100. So you must not go above it. So alright guys, finally I want to talk about something. Alright, so this account, you've seen the account, how it is, like their rules and all that is on the account. So should you buy the Goatfunded $1,000 instant accounts or not? So this is my opinion. For those that want to buy the $1,000 accounts, things you must know: you must abide by their rules, the Goatfunded rule. You must maintain consistency score of no more than 15% of your total profit in a day. Alright, which is you must make at least $15 every day. And another thing that is very difficult that you should also know is that you must, for you to have a low consistency score of 15%, your win rate must be high, meaning that you must be making $15 consistently every day. If you aren't making up to, let's say, $10 to $15 every day, if you aren't making that kind of amount every day, or rather you are making losses, sometimes your losses are more than your wins, your consistency score will be high. It will be very high, so you can't be able to request for payout. Though you might trade the account up to like $100 target, you will not, your consistency score will be high. It will be up to like 20 or 30%, depending on the amount of depending on the amount of losses you got. So you must be making steady profits every day for you to be able to request for payout. So if you know that you cannot be making steady profits every day, don't go and buy these accounts, please. Don't go and waste your $1. Instead, use that money to buy shawarma. Don't go and waste your $1. So ensure you know what you are getting into. This thing is not actually easy. I won't even advise newbies that need to trade into even purchase these accounts. Though it's a starting point, but it's not an advice, because it will mess up with your mental health, with your mental brain. Because when I bought mine, I was trading it and I couldn't request for payouts. I was so angry, I was so annoyed. So if you want to get this account, just bear in mind that you have to make consistent profit, and your strategy must be working well. Your strategy must be good for you to be able to request for payout. If you don't have a good strategy, don't go and buy this account, so that your strategy must be making you money consistently every day. Even though it's not every day, at least consistently every day. So I've traded these accounts. Though when I was trading, I had little losses, like $4, $5. I maintained a certain loss amount, which is like $5 to $7. So I don't go above $4 to $7 in losses. Upon that, I couldn't. My consistency score was still high. It's up to like 28%, as you can see in the while I was showing you in my phone. So ensure you know what you are getting into before you start to buy this account. Before you pay for this account, ensure you can be able to maintain risk management. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be dropping more videos, educational videos on forex trading and my opinions. So thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video. Peace out.